The JAV Smart Board 55-inch interactive whiteboard combines a large, bright display with responsive touch so teams and classes can see content clearly and interact naturally. Wireless screencasting from laptops, tablets, and phones makes it easy to present slides, videos, and documents without juggling cables or adapters. Built-in collaboration tools let you write, draw, and annotate on documents and PDF files in real time, then save and share the updated work with a couple of taps. Support for a wide range of applications means you can run teaching software, productivity suites, and conferencing apps directly on the board instead of relying on a separate computer. The pressure-sensitive stylus and low-latency touch tracking allow very precise handwriting and sketching, while palm erase and gesture shortcuts make the writing experience feel close to a real whiteboard. Extra features like quick QR code file sharing, structured table and chart tools, private voting, and ready-made lesson templates help streamline meetings and lessons for both business and education settings.